acrylic portrait artist or an aspiring acrylic portrait artist, and you're cooped up right now in the middle of this COVID-19 pandemic, maybe on lockdown or quarantine, looking for something productive to do with your time, well, hey, I have an idea. Let's do an acrylic portrait painting challenge for the month of April. My name is Matt Filio, and I'm an acrylic portrait artist in Wisconsin, and I teach online portrait painting classes at realisticacrylic.com. And I thought, you know what? It would be a fantastic thing if artists could do something productive with their time, especially when we're in a time of uncertainty and discouragement, to create something beautiful, beauty out of chaos. So I'm opening up an acrylic portrait painting challenge, and I'd love for you to be a part of that. What we're going to do is pick one photograph. Now, I've started this in my Facebook group, Realistic Acrylic Portraits, and we already have several people jumping on board and posting images of photographs they'd like to paint from. I'd like you to do that as well. And we're going to pick the best one, something beautiful, something with a lot of detail, something that would make for a fantastic portrait. And then we're all going to paint that together. What I'm going to do here is post some instructional videos on YouTube for you to watch. You can see step by step the process of how to do it. Starting with the sketch, moving on to blocking in, selecting the right colors for skin tones, getting the values correct, putting in the detail, and then finishing it off with nuances. All of those steps are going to be posted here, so you're going to be able to paint along with me. And then also, if you're in the Facebook group, I'd like you to join that. You'll be able to be encouraged by other people, other students doing the same exact painting, get critiques from each other, encourage each other in the process, and just have fun, you know, making something beautiful, accelerating your skills as an acrylic portrait artist, so you can go to the next level of maybe doing this as gifts for loved ones, or even professionally doing commission portraits. I'd like to help you with that. What I'd like you to do is click the link below in the description. That'll take you to the welcome page, get you all set up here to do this challenge. I've got a welcome kit for you, showing you the supplies and the materials, paints, brushes, everything you're going to need to be able to do this challenge along with me and the other students. So join that link, click that link below. That'll take you to the page where you can get started and join the rest of us. Also to my Facebook group, I'll have a link for that as well. And I look forward to seeing the beautiful portrait you're going to create. So if you have any questions, leave a question in the comments below. Otherwise, look forward to seeing you inside the challenge. All right, God bless. Talk to you soon.